All right, it's 12:17. Pinpoint Weather 12 now as we bring in meteorologist Brittany Trumpy. Brittany, you have the sunshine today. It is a gorgeous day outside, nice and warm, and something we're not used to.
I figured since it was spring-like, but we were lacking the sun, I'd dress the part.
Thank you. We appreciate that.
I mean, I wish we had the real deal,
yeah,
the actual sunshine, but we'll take it. It still feels very comfortable out there. Here's that look out towards Newport. You can see a little foggy. Those low clouds are still lingering overhead. We're going to start to see just a bit more sunshine for the second half of the day today, but even then we'll also start to see the wind starting to pick up, and so overall this is the most comfortable part of the day. Near record warmth across our region. However, we are seeing a winter storm watch. It goes into effect Thursday night into Friday. We're tracking the chance for snow, sleet, freezing rain, and then as we look forward to this weekend, it's going to dry out, but we stay plenty cold out there, and even as early as overnight tonight, we're getting back to reality with those temperatures dropping into the 20s. Temperatures right now, though, a completely different story. Feels almost spring-like out there. 62 for Smithfield, 63 for Providence. That record set back in 2017 was 66 degrees, so if we continue to warm up just a bit more this afternoon, we'll be getting closer to some of those records. And meanwhile, along the coast, you're still in the 50s, but still above average. If we look at the temperatures across much of the Northeast, you can see there's a big change depending on where you are with that cold front. Buffalo's looking at 31 degrees, Albany at 47. That cold front is going to be rolling across our region later on this evening, so we are expecting a big cool down overnight tonight. We'll be back down towards what we're used to for this time of year, but before that does so, before we see that cold front clear our area, it'll be pretty nice. Like I said, we'll be seeing a little bit more sunshine as we head towards the second half of the day. Temperatures will start to drop down as early as about 6 o'clock, and overnight tonight, that's when we really start to cool down. We're back down into the 20s. Clouds will be starting to pop up again during the overnight hours, but really the big weather feature that we're tracking is going to be Thursday night into Friday. So let's look at that hour by hour forecast. As about Thursday afternoon, we're going to be cold out there. Temperatures topping out in the 30s for tomorrow, back towards normal for this time of year. And it's going to be a bit more cloudy out there. What we're going to see is throughout the day, more moisture moving towards our region. So about 10 o'clock on Thursday night, still dry. It's until after midnight that we really start to see activity pick up. Early Friday morning, we're tracking heavy snow moving into our region. As far as snowfall accumulations, anywhere from 3 to 6 inches. And then as we head through your Friday morning, we're going to start to see that rain-snow line lift up to the north. Now, depending on how far north that goes, that'll impact some of those snow totals, but freezing rain and sleet are going to be a big concern as we head through your Friday afternoon. By about 1 o'clock on Friday, we'll start to see the actual two low pressure systems clear past our region, and then by Friday night, the active weather will be tapering off, but roads could still be a bit of a mess out there. So again, we have that winter storm watch for our entire region, except for some spots out along the Connecticut coast and for the islands all the way through from Thursday to Friday. Like I said, snowfall forecast 3 to 6 inches is going to be the most popular number. But again, depending on how far that rain-snow mix lifts up to the north, it could chip away at some of those numbers. While the snowfall numbers will be lower, you're still going to be running into a big issue with ice. So even if those snowfall inches kind of drop down as we head towards this event, still going to be a bit of a mess for your Friday with ice on the roads. Now for the weekend, we do dry out. Temperatures stay in the 30s. Next week, starting off with a cold snap in the 20s. You can head over to WPRI.com. We've got our full 7-day forecast over there. You can check it out anytime you like.
All right, we're going to focus on today's weather and not yet Friday's.
If you want to put on those blinders, you know, you do you.
Right now, I will. Looking at some of the stories.